Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the Android Switch application in 2026. I'm going to show you how you can use it to transfer your data from iPhone to Android in just a few minutes. So Android Switch, which is also known as Switch to Android, is an app which is designed to help iPhone users move their data easily to an Android device. It basically transfers the important data without needing a computer. With this application, you can transfer the contacts, photos, videos, messages, calendar events, and more. Now, some apps and the data may not transfer fully, but most of the important files are supported. The app creates a secure connection between your iPhone and your Android phone using Wi-Fi or a cable. It then copies your data directly from one device to another. So in order to use it, you first of all need to install the application on your iPhone. You can find it easily from App Store. So you need to turn on your new Android phone, then follow the setup instructions. Afterwards, you need to scan the QR code shown on the Android device, choose what data you want to transfer, and then you can basically start the transfer process. So the transfer usually takes a few minutes to 30 minutes depending on how much data you have. The larger files like videos may take longer. So Android Switch is definitely worth using in 2026 if you want to move your data from iPhone to Android. It is the fastest and the easiest way to transfer your data without any technical steps. So if this video helped you understand the app better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.